How to get McDonald's working promo code. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let's head over to Safari for now. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for McDonald's promo code 2024. Tons of different sites will be visible to you. You can head over to any one of it. Let me move into this one. It will redirect you to this page. So in this page, different coupon codes will be visible to you. Scroll all the way down and you'll get to see more of it. Different types of offer will also be available to you. From here, you can choose any one of the offer and head over to it. You can see the promo code will be available to you. All you want to do is copy this promo code. Once you have copied this promo code, what you want to do is head over to your application McDonald's. And when you try to buy something from McDonald's, the optional promo code will be available to you. All you want to do is paste the promo code that you have just copied. Once you have applied the promo code, you will be able to get certain amount of discount and offers. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get McDonald's working promo code. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.